Cartoons and Reviews. I'm your host, Spiderman.
I'm Spiderboy.
Today we're reviewing the Ultimate Spider-Man Web Warriors Blast and Go motorcycle. This toy by Hasbro allows you to launch Spider-Man right into battle.
First we're going to open Spielzeug. We have Venom in our car. Let's open them, Spider-Man.
Okay, Spider-Boy. He took all my hair off. I look like a Muppet. We have Marvel Mashems.
I hope I have Captain America. It is Hulk. Hulk smash. Hulk smash. Oh, there we go.
I have Wolverine. Shady Shank. Smashy smash. Wolverine versus Hulk. Shady Shank. Oh, smash me. You smashed me. Karate chop.
I'll try that too. Karate chop.
Wolverine finger soccer.
Hulk smash.
You just take the launcher and stick it in the back and let it rip.
It's pretty fast.
Let's see if we could take down Hulk and Wolverine.
Oh, they got Wolverine. They got Hulk. Yes.
Now let's see if you could take down full-size blow-up Spider-Man.
Oh, he got Wolverine. He got Wolverine down too.
The blaster also attaches like a cannon on the bike. That was a great toy. It's recommended as a stocking stuffer.
Oh!
And these can stick together really well.
Sometimes. Bye guys.